guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angelica. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're oldie, thank you for subscribing to my channel. My channel is new and fresh, and I love you guys' love and support. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I primed with the Morphe C125. I just got this, so I wanted to try it. It dries down pretty matte, so it's good for a primer, but it still does crease. I'm going to grab my T67 brush from the Makeup Shack, and I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Sacrifice. And this is going to be our darkest shade, so we're going to put that in our crease. I'm going to use my M562 brush. I'm going to take this orange shade right here to blend out that darker shade. It's called Majesty. Take another M562 brush, and I'm going to use the yellow shade here, and it's called Faith. Next, what I'm going to do is take some makeup remover. This is the Almay oil-free makeup remover. And then I'm going to take a Q-tip, and I'm going to clean the area where I'm going to cut my crease so that the concealer doesn't mix into the color and make a weird color. After that is finished, I'm going to use my Morphe, I guess 0. It also says 00 at the bottom. I'm going to take my Makeup Shack T48. My Makeup Shack T48 brush. And I'm going to cut my crease. So my crease is cut the way I want it to be cut. So I'm going to use my Myo Makeup Pigments. I'm going to take this neon pink, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. And I'm going to take that on my Alamar Cosmetics brush. You will have follow with any loose pigment that you use, so I recommend you do your face last. I always do my face last anyways. Look at how neon this color is. I love it so much. I'm going to take, this is the Morphe 35C palette. It is the sister, I guess, to the 35B palette. I should have bought the 35B palette, but this basically has the same colors in it. This Japanese brush, and I'm going to dip into the pinks here. First, I'm going to take this darker pink right here, and we're going to blend that in with our neon pigment. I'm going to take a small lip brush. I believe this is from Luxie, like a kit that I got. We're gonna go to the next shade next to it, and we're gonna grab that lighter pink and put it in our outer corner. Okay, and that is the eye look. Quick, easy, and simple. So I'm going to go off camera, do my liner and my lashes and my base, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back and I have my lashes on, my eyeliner, and my base done, my bronzer and my contour done, and a little bit of blush. So what I'm going to do is set my face again, and I'm going to give that a base for my highlighter. So I'm using my clarifying spray from TJ Maxx. And it's the Ciate London highlighter in Moon Dust that I got in my Ipsy. Now I'm going to do my bottom eyeshadow. I was debating if I should do the neon pink at the bottom. I think I'm going to do the crease colors at the bottom. Take that dark color again. Sacrifice. Take the orange shade again. It's called Majesty. And I'm going to take that yellow shade called Faith. A Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, my lower lash line is done. I'm going to start with my lips. I'm going to take this NYX chocolate. I believe this is a lip liner. Yeah, lip liner. Take the Loreal Infallible Less Chocolate collection liquid lipsticks, and I'm going to take Sweet Tooth. Becca lip gloss. I think this is from the Chrissy Teigen collection called Beach Bum. This is the finished look, guys. I'm going to put some earrings on, and I will be right back. guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, click that bell button so you're notified when I upload. Like this video and comment down below your thoughts on this video and what would you like to see next. Follow my other social medias, they'll be linked down below. And that's it. I hope you guys have a nice blessed day. Bye.